In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pie infographic in Microsoft Excel. Now you can use this chart in your PowerPoint or Excel presentation. The first thing we need to create a 2-column table. The next thing I will click on D2, simply type 3, hit tab key. Next we need to type 2.5, hit tab key, and next we need to type 1.3, hit enter. And now I will simply copy these three, hit Ctrl C, and we need to repeat these values, let's say 15 number of time, hit Ctrl V. Now I will copy this whole block, hit Ctrl C, click here, hit Ctrl V. This is the second block. On the very end, click again, hit Ctrl V, and we need to repeat this block up to 6 times. And this is how we generate 6 blocks with the same data sheet. Now I will click on the very end, simply type 0.8, hit enter, and simply copy this value, hit Ctrl C, and now simply select all of the blank cell top of the data sheet. The next thing I will click on D2, hit Ctrl A to select all of the data sheet, Ctrl backspace to move to the top cell again, click on insert, recommended chart, all chart, radar chart, fill radar chart, and we need to select the first layout. For now I will increase the size of this chart a little bit more. We need to delete the legend, the title for now, the category label x-axis, simply select and hit delete key. Now we only need to change the color of every slice. On the center you can see a circle, click on the circle, format. For this I will choose the white font color, and now I will select, let's say this is my first slice, click, go to shape fill. In this case I will select the dark green color first, then on the center select the light green color, and the very end we need to select a very light green color. Now the same step I will do for each and every slice. After choosing the consistent color, here I am going to show you a trick. If you click on page layout, here you can see different color combination. Simply hover the mouse and you can see a different color. Whatever you like, simply choose those format. The next thing, we need to apply these data label. So for this we need to insert a pie chart. I will click on my chart, chart design. Here you can see select data. We need to add another series. For the name I will simply type pie, and for the series value I need to select all of the column A data sheet, hit OK and hit OK again. Now I will click on change chart type. Here you can see combo chart, and now we need to change one by one series to a fill radar chart. On the very end you can see a pie series. For this I need to select the pie chart, simply hit OK. Now again I will click on category label and hit delete key, click on vertical x-axis and hit delete key. I will click any of the series, click on format. On the very left side you can see a drop down. We need to select a pie series, click on plus button, apply the data label, more data label options, and here you can see value from cell. Click on this one and simply select the cell which contain all of the data labels. Hit OK, uncheck the value and show leader line, and for the label position I will select the center position. And now again we need to select the pie series. Here you can see pie explosion. If we simply increase this explosion, you can see my data label are perfect on each and every slice. Now if I click outside my chart, this is how we can create this amazing pie infographic. Again, click on chart, page layout and change the color whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. If you have anything else, just write me comment. Thank you so much.